Module 3 Biasing Techniques. Biasing techniques in transistor circuits are methods used to set the operating point of a transistor in such a way that it functions properly within the desired region of its characteristics. For example, active or linear region in the case of amplification. For BJTs, both NPN and PNP, biasing ensures that the transistor remains in stable state and operates with consistent performance despite the variations in temperature or transistor parameters. The figure shows the one particular biasing technique, that is fixed bias. The circuit shown is called fixed base bias circuit because here the transistor's base current IB remains constant for given values of VCC, and therefore the transistor's operating point must also remain fixed. And this transistor biasing network is used to establish the initial operating region of the transistor using a fixed current bias. Biasing in fixed bias, the formulas, the important formulas which we are using is given here. The abbreviations of the use. Fixed bias. In this technique, a resistor is connected between base of the transistor and the supply voltage, which sets the base current. Circuit configuration. The emitter is typically grounded and a resistor is placed between the base and the power supply. This is just the circuit explanation. The collector is connected to the load and the collector current is controlled by the base current. The base current is set by the resistor and it determines the collector current. But this technique is not very stable and there can be variations in the operating point due to temperature or transistor's parameters. Advantages: simple and inexpensive, easy to design. Disadvantages: poor thermal stability. Operating point can shift with variation in transistor characteristics or temperature variations.